Okay, so good day everyone. So let's have our next topic, which is welded connection. Okay, pag sinabi natin welding connections or welding in particular, so ito yung process in which we have two metals to be joined by creating a strong bond between them sa pamamagitan ng pag-iinit or through heating. Okay, so welding is one of the common type of connection other than bolted connection. Okay, so it is one of the reliable methods of joining. Okay, so pag sa mga welded structures, we have neat appearance, mas malinis tignan, and it is able to connect, or welding enables to connect complicated shapes. Okay, then welded structures are more rigid compared to structures na connected by bolts or mga recent or mga unang panahon rivets. Okay? Generally, welded joints are strong or mas matibay dun sa base material niya. Okay? Ngayon, ano naman yung disadvantage pagdating sa welding? Okay? Unlike sa bolted connections na hindi mo naman kailangan ng skilled worker or skilled manpower, pagdating sa weld, you need to have a skilled, certified structural welder in order to carry out the complicated task of welding, diba? And of course, pagdating kasi sa welding, of course, nire-require kasi, particularly dito sa atin sa Philippines, it is required to have a certified welder. Ganon din naman sa ibang bansa. Okay? Another disadvantage of welding is yung difficulty sa location or sa environment. Halimbawa, the ongoing project of Tubataha ranging station sa Tubataha Reef. Okay, yung isa sa mga nahawakan kong project sa province, it is made up mostly of steel members. So, ang ginawa ng contractor, ng supplier is most of the connections are welded. Kasi nga hindi ka basta-basta makakapagdala ng welding machine kasi nasa gitna ka ng dagat, literally nasa gitna ka ng dagat. Okay, so ang ginawa doon nung contractor is mostly bolts. Okay, yun din naman kasi yung specify, kaya yun specify natin specify namin sa structural details namin more on bolts kasi nga ang mahirap pag weld pagdating sa gitna ng dagat, laot pa nga kumbaga, diba? Okay, let's go to the welding process naman. Okay, so we have here three types of welding process. We have here the GMAW, SMAW, and SAW. Okay, punta muna tayo dun sa GMAW. So, GMAW stands for Gas Metal Arc Welding or simply gas welding. So, ito yung mas simple and mas expensive na paraan. Okay? Simple and inexpensive, mas mura. So, usually, ginagamit lang to sa mga repairs or maintenance work. So, mga hindi mabibigat na welding procedures. So, usually, ginagamit is gas welding. So, yung pangalawa naman is yung SMAW, which is the Shielded Metal Arc Welding. Ito yung pinaka-common type ng welding. Okay? So, itong process ito is very versatile and can be used sa field welding. Okay? So, yung designation ng Nung welds nito is usually A60XX and E70XX. Yung 60, which is yung 60 kesa, your 414 FPA and 70 for 83 tensile strengths respectively. Now, the welding rods commonly available in the market is E60. Yun usually yung sinispecify sa mga plano. Kasi yun man yung for, let's say, dito sa Philippines, ang usually na makikita nyo na specification sa mga structural plans is E60. Kasi yun yung mas available pagdating sa market. Okay. So, pangatlo naman na process, we have here the submerged metal arc welding or yung SAW. Okay? Ito naman yung ginagamit sa mga fabrication plants or sa mga sophisticated mga equipment, or should I say mas ginagamitan or ginagamit siya sa planta kung saan merong mga sophisticated na mga equipment na available. Okay? Sa NSCP, the NSCP recognizes the SAW as superior among the other welding kasi yung weld nito or the weld itself and the base metal is shielded from the impurities in the air, kaya usually sa fabrication siya. So, hindi siya ginagamit pagdating sa site or pagdating sa field. So, we also have other process, but mostly or majority is itong tatlong process na talaga. Okay? Now, let's talk about the types of weld. Okay? So, usually we have here, in this picture, we have four topics or four types of welds, but we will just go on to the three. Okay? So, first is the groove or butt welds. Okay, ito. Okay? So, the use of groove welds is to connect structural members na naka-align sa same plane. Okay? So, meron kang, let's say, we have here